dark? It's a famous mystery known as Olbers Paradox. If the universe is infinite, every single point in the sky should hit a star, making the cosmos completely white and blinding. But it's not. Why? The answer lies in two mind-bending facts. First, the universe is not infinitely old. It started 13.8 billion years ago. Since light takes time to travel, the light from the most distant stars simply hasn't reached Earth yet. Second, space is expanding. As galaxies rush away from us, the light they emit gets stretched. This stretching turns visible starlight into invisible infrared waves. In fact, if human eyes could see infrared light, the night sky would be glowing brighter than the sun. But to our limited eyes, it remains a beautiful, silent darkness. Subscribe to Astro Shayan for more cosmic secrets. Thanks.